Hi guys, let us see how can we apply optional elimination trick in factual question. Many a times aspirants struggle in factual questions, okay, and factual questions are very difficult, particularly for the beginners. Let us see how we can apply optional elimination and solve even factual questions. This question I have picked from the year 2020 CSE. From the year 2020 CSE. So the question says that which of the following protected areas basically are located in the Kaveri basin. Okay, Kaveri basin. So Kaveri basin, we all know that there is a difference between river and basin. Basin includes all the tributaries also. All the tributaries also. So basin is a very large area. Basin is a very large area which includes the tributaries also. So this basic understanding we should have. Okay, let us read the statements. Nagar Hole National Park, Papi Konda National Park, okay, Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve, and Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary. So what can you observe? What can you observe from these names? Can you find some relationship? Okay, one relationship what I can find is that this Nagar Hole National Park, this Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve, and this Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary, all these three are belonging to Nilgiri. All these three are belonging to Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. All these three belongs to Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. This is I know. This one thing I should know, because if I am a sincere UPSC aspirant, then I should know about the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, which is one of the most important biosphere reserve in the country. So I should know about this. So this thing I know. I am assuming that this basic knowledge you should have. Okay, let us now read again carefully this statement 2. Let us read carefully this statement 2. It says Papi Konda. Okay, so people from the South India. Okay, I am from Warangal. Okay, I have studied in Warangal, so I know little bit of Telugu. Okay, so see, in CSE you need officers who are aware of the country and who are knowing everything about the country, different cultures, different languages. So I think that a intelligent person should know what is Konda. What is Konda? Konda is a Telugu. Okay, Konda, when I was there in Warangal, okay, there was a place called Hanamkonda. People from Andhra, okay, people from Warangal. Is there a place called Hanamkonda or not? Hanamkonda or not? So Konda is a Telugu word or not? Konda is a Telugu word or not? Generally, I think, if I remember correctly, Konda basically means hill. Okay, so we can easily assume this Papi Konda. This Papi Konda basically is in Andhra. And we all know that this Kaveri basin is not there in Andhra. It is not there in Andhra. Godavari basin is there in Andhra. Kaveri basin is not in the Andhra. Okay, Kaveri basin includes states like Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. And if you see, all these things belongs to Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Okay, one more thing. So we can eliminate this. And one more thing what I can observe is that, okay, you see this Nagar Hole National Park, Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve, and Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary. All these three together, okay, they are belonging to Nilgiri Biosphere Reserves. So it is high chance that all these three will basically be situated on the Kaveri basin or the located in Kaveri basin. High chance. Okay, I'm saying high chance. If I have to choose between 3 and 4 and 1 and 3 and 4 only, so logic says that since these three are related, there is some common binding force between these three. And what is that common binding force? The common binding force is that they all three are part of the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. And if you have read about Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, you should know that many of the tributaries of the Kaveri River, like Kabini, comes out from the Nilgiris, the mountains of Nilgiris. Okay, so we can easily assume that the answer is 1, 3 and 4 only. So guys, you can see how we have tried to use our basic common sense, basic understanding about various cultures, traditions to solve a factual question, in the UPSC exam. If you really like this technique, please hit the like button and please subscribe the channel and please share this with particularly the beginners. See, people who have been preparing for like 4 or 5 years, okay, then they have a lot of knowledge. They can crack the prelims exam with the help of knowledge also. Okay, but people who are beginners, okay, because I am caring about beginners, okay, they are scared. I'm getting a lot of messages, lot of calls. Sir, prelims is coming, sir. Prelims is coming. What should I do? I say, don't worry, have Rocky Bhai attitude. Okay, have Rocky Bhai attitude. This means what? Rocky says what? What Rocky Bhai says? Rocky Bhai says that डर होना चाहिए, but अपन के अंदर नहीं, कंपटीटर के दिल में होना चाहिए. अपन के दिल के अंदर नहीं, कंपटीटर के दिल के अंदर होना चाहिए. So guys, have the Rocky Bhai attitude. Go with an attitude that fearless attitude. Okay, fearless attitude. Okay, don't go with a fearful attitude. I am telling you, if you are fearful, your mind will stop working. These kinds of optional elimination techniques, you can never apply with a fearful mind. You can only apply through fearless mind. Okay, fearless mind. So one big like for the Rocky Bhai of the prelims also. Thank you guys. Please subscribe the channel. Bye bye.